Welcome to Auto House LLC. We will offer you the best collection of nice cars with the best financing available. Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows.